Welcome back, fellow legal enthusiasts and seekers of the truly bizarre. You loved our last dive into the weird world of American law, and trust us, the well of absurdity runs deep. Today we're unearthing a fresh batch of legally absurd facts that are 100% real and guaranteed to make you question everything you thought you knew about justice. Get ready to scratch your head, because these laws and cases defy belief. This isn't legal advice, folks. It's pure, unadulterated, factual absurdity for your entertainment. Let's kick things off with some state statutes that sound like they were pulled from a forgotten era, or perhaps a very strange dream. Our first stop takes us to Indiana, where a rather peculiar law once targeted facial hair. Believe it or not, it was once illegal for a man to wear a mustache if he had a tendency to habitually kiss other people. Yes, you heard that correctly. This isn't a joke about hygiene. It's a genuine historical ordinance that reportedly aimed to regulate public displays of affection, or perhaps just to ensure clean-shaven smooches. One can only imagine the enforcement challenges. How exactly does one prove a tendency to habitually kiss? And what about women with mustaches? The sheer specificity and the implied moral judgment behind this law make it a truly bewildering piece of legal history. It stands as a testament to how deeply societal norms, no matter how fleeting, can become enshrined in legal code. Next, let's hop over to New Jersey, where maintaining a positive demeanor around authority figures might be more than just good manners. In some municipalities, it's reportedly illegal to frown at a police officer. While rarely, if ever, enforced in modern times, this law is a fascinating glimpse into attempts to legislate respect and public order. Imagine being pulled over for a minor infraction and then facing an additional charge because your facial expression conveyed displeasure. This isn't about freedom of speech, but rather about the historical impulse to prevent perceived defiance or disrespect towards law enforcement. It raises questions about the very nature of emotional expression in public spaces and how far the arm of the law might extend into our personal feelings. It's a reminder that even our most subtle nonverbal cues were once considered fair game for legal regulation. Now, let's shift from the curious confines of statute books to the chaotic, often hilarious, and always factual theater of the courtroom. These are real legal battles that prove truth can be stranger than fiction. Our first courtroom oddity takes us to a case that truly tested the boundaries of legal standing: the dog who sued his owner. In 1992, a New York woman suffering from a severe dog phobia sued her neighbor over their barking dog. What made this case truly bizarre was that the dog itself was named as a co-defendant. Yes, a dog, legally recognized as property, was brought into a lawsuit as if it were a sentient, responsible party. The case American Investor Hate saw the dog, a German shepherd named Duke, listed alongside his owner. While Duke obviously couldn't testify, his presence on the legal documents highlighted the unusual lengths to which some civil disputes can go. The judge eventually dismissed the case against Duke, but the fact that it even reached that point is a testament to the unpredictable nature of legal proceedings and the unique challenges presented by animal-related disputes. It serves as a humorous yet factual example of how legal formalities can sometimes collide with the realities of everyday life. Still think you've seen it all? The legal world has more surprises up its sleeve. In Kansas, it's illegal to serve wine in teacups. This isn't about proper etiquette. It's a specific liquor law, likely a relic from Prohibition era, attempts to prevent the clandestine serving of alcohol in disguised containers. It paints a picture of a time when authorities were hyper-vigilant about how and where alcoholic beverages were consumed, leading to some truly granular regulations. Then there's South Carolina, where it's illegal to keep a horse in a bathtub. Similar to Arizona's donkey law, this seemingly absurd rule likely stems from a specific incident involving an animal and a plumbing fixture. It's a reminder that many of these weird laws aren't just random acts of legislative lunacy, but often responses to real, albeit unusual, events that cause problems for local communities. And in Florida, again, because Florida always delivers, it's illegal to sell oranges on the street. This law was reportedly designed to protect the citrus industry from unregulated competition and ensure quality control. While it sounds like a minor detail, it speaks to the economic concerns that can drive even the most seemingly mundane legal prohibitions. Beyond the specific laws, the human element in the courtroom can lead to some truly unforgettable and often bewildering moments. Consider the case of the sleepwalking defense. While not unique to the US, it has appeared in American courtrooms. In 1994, a man in Arizona was acquitted of murder after successfully arguing he committed the crime while sleepwalking. The defense presented expert testimony on parasomnias, arguing that the defendant was not consciously aware of his actions. This case, State versus Bradley, highlighted the complex intersection of law, neuroscience, and human consciousness. It challenged the fundamental legal principle of mens rea, or guilty mind, by arguing that the defendant's actions were involuntary. It's a chilling reminder that the human mind, even in its unconscious states, can lead to actions that defy simple legal categorization. The outcome, while legally sound based on the evidence presented, left many questioning the boundaries of responsibility. So why do these seemingly absurd laws and bizarre cases continue to exist or even happen? Many of these older laws are remnants of a different era, passed to address specific, often localized problems that are no longer relevant. They might have been reactions to unique incidents or simply reflections of social norms that have long since faded. The legal system, by its very nature, is a living document, constantly evolving, but sometimes the old quirky bits just stick around. As for the strange court cases, they highlight the unpredictable nature of human behavior and the sometimes unintended consequences of a legal system designed to address every conceivable dispute. They are a testament to the fact that reality can often be far stranger than any fiction, and that the pursuit of justice can lead to the most unexpected and even humorous detours. From mustaches to frowning, and from suing dogs to sleepwalking defenses, the legal landscape is full of unexpected twists. It's a reminder that while laws are designed to bring order, they can also reflect the unique, sometimes illogical tapestry of human history and behavior. What's the most absurd law you've ever heard of? Or perhaps you know of a bizarre court case that tops these. Share your unbelievable legal facts in the comments below. If you are as fascinated as we were by these strange laws and weird cases, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into the unexplained and unusual, and don't forget to ring the bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching. And remember, the law works in mysterious ways.